Sanibonani, igama lami nginguPhumla ngowakaGonya, ngivela eMlazi, sila eKamashu, ngikhonza eMighty eseMlazi kwaD ngasemnyandu ngaphansi kwababa uNene. Ngokubona kwami ukuhlangana kwamabandla ehlangana kanjena kungikhandela isithombe sokuzwana, sokubumbana singamaZayoni, especially thina abantu abasha esikhule eZayoni. IZayoni ziyabantu abacekeleleka phansi. Ngiyathemba ukuthi njengoba sekuhlangana kanje kuzoba nobumbana kuphele nokucwasana emabandleni eZayoni. Ngiyathemba ukuthi nje kusukela nje namhlanje ngoba mina ngiyaqala ukujoyina le nto eyenziwe la eKamashu. Kuzoba khona leso sithombe sokuthi uma uwumuntu omusha noma kuthiwa umuntu akakhonzi ebandleni okhonza kulona, kodwa kubalulekile ukuthi umuntu umukele ngendlela e-right kakhulu, umthathise as usisi wakho, as ubhuti wakho, as uma wakho, as ubaba wakho. Ngiyabonga kakhulu.
It is very important for the youth to come together outside of church, because that is where we will get to realize ama-characteristics wethu sonke and experience ama-personalities of each other at the fullest. Because esontweni, I feel like sometimes we are forced to mask ourselves as this perfect human beings. Yabo, sizosontweni, sizothobela umthetho wasesontweni, but outside you get to be me, you get to experience uzinhle, like at the fullest. We will get to communicate, we'll talk about anything engaphathelananga nesonto. It is very important. I really encourage the youth, because that is where you get to build relationships. You can't build a proper relationship esontweni ngale 3 hours esinayo. We really can. So it's very important for the youth to come together. Like, you can find networks, connections, masihlangana ngaphandle, because we'll be talking on a deeper level. Yeah, man, please, let's come together as the youth and enjoy our time together. Sizwazana kangcono. Thank you.
Ngizonazisa the importance of engaging with other youth members from other different churches. Kuzosiza in terms of engaging and helping ibandla libe acknowledgement other than okunye, and then kuyosiza ngokuthi singabazalwane sikhona ukukhulisa konke. And then mhlambe you never know, there's someone out there ongathanda ukuthi ayinikele ebandleni just through ngokwazi ukuthi ubani ukhonza kuliphi ibandla. Just one attendance of ibandla can change umuntu avume ukuzokhonza nani and have a wonderful, successful engagement ebandleni lase Christ our Rock of Salvation. Don't mind, please follow us, join us, and text us on TikTok and Instagram and Facebook. WhatsApp anyone you have a number yakho okhonza ebandleni lase Christ our Rock of Salvation. And thank you and goodbye.
Ngicabanga ukuthi kuyinto right sihlangane samaZayoni, abantu abasha especially, because uZayoni wethu wakusasa uzokwakhiwa ilaba abantu laba esibakhulisayo nabazodlala namhlanje. uZayoni wethu sigqugquzela ukuthi uthandane, unakekelane. Isikhathi esiningi sesijwayele ukuhlangana ngisho emaholi, kuney'nkonzo la sithwalisana khona njengey'nkonzo zemshado, but ngibona ukuthi kubalulekile ukuthi sihlangane because abantu abasha balandwe kwezinye izinto zelizwe. So uma ngabe besesontweni hlezi ku-serious ifundwe iBhayibheli, but this time sasihlangane sidlale babone ukuthi nabo saba accommodate, sikwazi ukubona ngisho ama-talent abo, ukuthi uNkulunkulu babusise kuphi, because abanye bangakhula ngempela uthole ukuthi umuntu uyadlala uqale edlala esontweni, but bese beyamnothisa-ke ukuthi uyakwazi ukudlala bese eyanyuka, because kugqugquzela ukuthi i-youth yethu idlondlobale emathalenteni, asifuni ukwacindezela amathalente abo. So ilokho nje kakhulu into enginothise kuZayoni, uZayoni usukhule kakhulu ekutheni uthandane. Akusekho ukuthi ngingcono mina ngoba ngisonto ebandleni elukuthi kushunyayelwa ivangeli elilodwa, sikhule kuNkulunkulu oyedwa, kuhluka ama-uniform, siyathandana suZayoni, sithi nje phambili ngokuthi kwenziwa ama-sports emasontweni, singahlezi serious sifunde iBhayibheli. Amen, ngiyabonga kakhulu.
So what I would like to share to our youth is that, guys, always stay positive. Believe in yourself. Yonke into oyenzayo, like izitshela ukuthi ngiyakwazi ukwenza, uyakwazi ukwaba, or what, even if you can't do something, sticka kulabantu abakwazi ukwenza lokho bezokwazi ukufundisa ipride iyeke ukuthi usibanibani kanje nanje. If you don't like something, mtshele lowo muntu or khuluma nomuntu ozokwazi ukuthi ayixazulule indlela leyo nto leyo yenzakalayo. Because what I see now ukuthi izinto zenzeka but we don't communicate, so leyo nto leyo iyasilimaza kakhulu because we end up taking sides and lot of ibhizinisi ibandla. So mina ngithi stick together as a youth. Kuyimanje simenyiwe lana and sihlangene, guys, akekho ukuthi mhlawumbe omunye nje asigxekani, sonke nje si-right, siyaphaphelana. Ngisho ungakwazi uyafika kumina ngibuza igama ngiyakuphaphela, and lokho kumina kungitshengisa ukuthi like ngumuntu onjani, nokuthi la bantu abasimenile like i-cross simenile, yes, i-cross, guys, like they are very friendly, they're very good. In my vision bengayiboni kakhulu, but naye khona sisofikile kumina angibingelela ngitsho ukuthi bahleliphi, and also everything so far is good, nothing negative. So yeah, all I want to share with y'all is that, guys, believe in yourself. Guys.